Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So I want to shout out to RC Speed Monsters. Got a package from them. And also got a present. So we're going to go ahead and unpack this and see what I got sent. And then we'll go from there. I know I got a crash bumper and a splitter. I'll show y'all my old splitter. That's what it looked like. It's all bent up. So let's see what we got here. Alright, YouTube, so this is some of the stuff I got. This is Creighton skid plates. That's for the underneath the Creighton. I always wanted those, even though my chassis I got now was bent up. But it'll come in handy for the next one. So this is an infraction wing. I'll go ahead and throw that up there. And these are the side plates for the wing. I got a bumper for the infraction. I also got air dams. I have these on the infraction already, so I'm gonna throw these on a limitless. See if those work out. And these are the rear, I believe these are the rear air dams for the infraction. Then these are this is an armor wing. The Creighton wing. So these is what I had already. I just didn't throw them on yet. These are the skid plates for the infraction. So this is what I got so far. I really want to shout out to RC Speed Monster and Mrs. Speed Monster for the Christmas gift. And it came with screws and everything I need to put it together. So this is where you would go to purchase anything. If you want anything that they have. They also make a lot more stuff. You can check out their website. And I believe he make custom parts if you're looking for custom aluminum RC parts. So once again, shout out to RC Speed Monster. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw some things on the infraction and see how it's set up. And we'll go from there. Alright, YouTube, this is the Armor Creighton rear spoiler. Look real nice up there. I like that. It was better than, let me show you. I don't even know where I put the stock one at. But it's a nice setup. The wheelie bar fit right up under there. I took this wheelie bar off for now because I wanted to run it to see when I wheelie if it scrape and spark. But it clears it real nice. Wheels spinning everything. And then I did this underneath. I know a chassis is already beat up, but I put those up there. I got them, so why not? So let me show you how the infraction. Alright, that's the rear spoiler for the infraction. Damn, set up real nice. I even got the front bumper now. I got the stock body. Got the tires that my brother last bought me on top of them. That's I won every race with those tires. And that's the old model wheelie bar. But yeah, that's how that's set up. I'll show you how the underneath, but I already did the underneath. Underneath, keep all that air out. This is just my drag racing car. But I do like it. I was waiting on this front bumper. Somebody come in my lane, I'll be prepared to get taken out. Nah, I'm just messing. Alright, anyway, yeah, shout out to Jeff from RC Speed Monster once again for all the upgrades. I do got these. I gotta figure out where these go. These are rear air dams, and I got splitters. Since I got splitters on here, air dams for the front on here already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna probably put them on a limitless. Sorry about the noise, but I got those on here already, so not sure if I'm gonna put them on a limitless or not. So y'all stay tuned. We'll get this out, do some test runs with the stuff I just put up there. I want to test the wing out too, and then we'll test the Creighton out in another video. And if I get this situated by then, the air skids in the back, I'll let y'all know what's going on with that. But anyway, shout out to Jeff again. Liking that setup, man. We'll get it out there and see what's going on. Definitely got to get rid of this body for next season, so this is gonna come on. But I'll stay tuned.